If you use Yahoo Mail and want a cleaner, more organized calendar view, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to follow and unfollow calendars in Yahoo Mail step by step, so you can easily add the calendars you want and remove the ones you no longer need. This is a simple way to stay on top of events, schedules, and shared calendars without cluttering your view. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside, look for the calendar icon. This is the place where all of your calendar settings and subscriptions are managed. Click that calendar icon to open your Yahoo Calendar area. Now, if you want to follow a calendar, look for the Add Calendar button. Click Add Calendar, and Yahoo Mail will give you options to either choose from available calendars or enter calendar details manually. This can be useful if you want to subscribe to a public calendar, a holiday calendar, a sports schedule, or any calendar shared with you by another person or organization. If you're entering details yourself, make sure the information is correct so the calendar appears properly in your account. After you select or enter the calendar details, confirm your choice and give Yahoo a moment to sync it. Once it's added, the calendar should appear in your list, and you'll be able to view its events alongside your other calendars. This makes it much easier to keep track of everything in one place instead of switching between multiple apps or accounts. If later on you decide you no longer want to follow that calendar, the process is just as easy. Start by finding the calendar in your list. Scroll through your calendars until you locate the one you want to remove. Once you've found it, click Remove or Delete, depending on the option shown in your version of Yahoo Mail. When you remove a calendar, it should disappear from your calendar list and stop showing its events in your view. This is helpful if the calendar is outdated, no longer relevant, or simply not something you want to follow anymore. Just make sure you're removing the correct calendar before you confirm, especially if you have several calendars with similar names. And that's really all there is to it. To follow a calendar in Yahoo Mail, open Calendar, click Add Calendar, and choose or enter the calendar details. To unfollow a calendar, find it in your list and click Remove or Delete. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in how organized and useful your Yahoo Calendar feels. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.